Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso.com, and in this video we're continuing our series on all of the Baja Designs LED lighting upgrades for the 21 and up Toyota Tundra. In this video we're covering off on two separate types of kits, the behind the bumper kit and the grill kit, and there's a handful of different options to choose from. We're going to take you through all the details to help you understand which kit is going to be right for you, or if you're going to get both, to know which part numbers to order. And we're going to put links to all of the products that we talk about in the description of the video. And if you find this video helpful in choosing which kit is right for you to buy, please consider buying that kit from us. Each of those links in the description is going to take you over to Motoroso.com, where you can shop with us, and that supports what we do here, and we love helping our customers. So there you can also reach us on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. We're also going to be making a step-by-step detailed how-to installation guide for the behind the bumper kit. We're going to put a link to that right here. Now, each of these kits is going to mount a 20-inch Baja Designs S8 series light bar. Now, this is a pretty serious little piece of equipment. This little thing is single row LED, so it's very slim line and it's only 20 inches wide, but it packs a pretty serious wallop. Each of these puts out 12,700 lumens. And if you mount both of these kits, that's nearly 26,000 lumens of light output coming off these two very low profile light bars. Now, in addition to that, there's also options for lighting between either having an amber lens like we've chosen here, which is really good for conditions where you might get glare. You might choose this if you're going to be driving in a lot of snow, rain, sleet, fog, to make sure that you don't get the glare you get back from white light. Or if you want the maximum light projection, you can get a clear lens, or if you just don't like the look of that yellow lens, that amber lens up front, choose that clear lens. Each of the kits we talk about are going to come in both options, either clear or amber, and they are going to come with a combo lens installed. That means it's going to be a split of the light coming out. Some of it's going to project clear and far up the trail, and the rest of it's going to be diffused, and it's going to split that light 50-50 to spread that light around so you get a nice combination of light coming off the bar. In addition to that, though, if you chose to want to change the lens pattern, the lenses are swappable on these S8 light bars. I'm just going to recommend that if you want to change that light pattern, do it before you install them, because once it's installed, it's going to be a little trickier to access. Now, in addition to the lenses here, you also have a feature of a backlight, and these are going to feature an amber backlighting option. That is like a marker light. It's not a projecting light that's shooting amber light. It's a back marker light that's going to make the car look really unique. It's very popular. It goes along with the Tacomas and the Tundras really nicely. Gives you that little optional design aesthetic look. You don't have to hook it up if you don't like it, but it is there if you want to use it. Now, there are a total of 6 different part numbers and options between these two separate mounting locations. The first two are going to be in that behind the bumper location. Now, the behind the bumper location is lower down on the vehicle, so it's going to be better for the foggy conditions, low light conditions, places where you might have glare. And it's a very simple choice for you between the two kits. You're choosing between an amber lens like we've got here for Aaron's Tundra, or a clear lens. Now, this kit is going to include, of course, all the necessary mounting brackets and hardware, and these are the brackets that are going to mount down on the bumper, and they're nice and stout and strong to hold this light bar, which is not light. It's not crazy heavy, but you want to make sure you have a nice solid mount there. Now, the wiring harness itself does include a switch, a relay, and a fuse, so that means that's going to give you everything that you need to install in your Tundra, which doesn't have OEM auxiliary switches, and you are going to need to find a way to mount that switch. You're going to need a little hole drill and kind of make a clean mounting location. We're not going to be showing how to do that in the installation guide video, but there's lots of videos online to help you choose how to do that and where to mount a switch. Now, I'm going to say this. Consider checking out something like a switch controller, because we're going to be installing on Aaron's Tundra an S-Pod Bantam-X touchscreen, and that is a switch controller. It gives you a huge range of flexibility over controlling lots of different electronic accessories, including LED lights, but on up to winches and all kinds of really cool stuff. We're going to make a separate video about that, and we'll link to that video right here. That's what we are going to be wiring this into, and if you have something like that, you're simply going to cut out the switch and the relay and the fuse and just use it as an upfitter harness to go right into that switch controller. But again, the kit includes everything you're going to need to do that. They also have a separate wiring harness that's going to tap into your daytime running light fuse so that you can run into the amber backlight feature on this if you choose to use that. Now, the next 4 kits we're going to talk about are the grill mounting kits. Now, these mount much higher up in the TRD grill, right under the Toyota logo there, and this is going to give you a higher mounting position. This is highly beneficial for sending light further up the trail. And a 12,700 lumens is going to do a pretty good job of lighting up the trail. And if you combine that with the bumper one, it's really a significant amount of light. Now, There's 4 different part numbers because there's 2 major decisions that you're going to need to make. Now, the first is the obvious one. Just like on the bumper kit, choosing between an amber lens or do you want a regular clear lens. So that's your simple decision. Now, the other decision is a little bit of nuance too. First off is, do you have a TRD grill on your truck already? Did you buy a TRD Pro? If so, you already have this grill and it's got the mounting location for a bar, and it probably has a bar already in it, almost certainly does. And you're gonna be replacing that with this S8, and it's gonna come with the necessary brackets and hardware to mount in that location. Now, for a lot of you watching this video, you're probably looking at doing a TRD grill conversion, which is exactly what we've done here. You can go to Toyota's parts department or online, and you can purchase this grill directly from Toyota, and it's pretty inexpensive. It's around $300. And then you can swap this grill into your Tundra and get that aggressive TRD look. That kit is packaged differently from Baja Designs for their TRD conversion kit because there are some additional brackets and hardware that you're going to need to make sure that this can, 1, mount in that location, but 2, gets the additional support in the back of the grill to make sure that the weight of this bar doesn't crack the grill and break the grill that you just bought and spent all that time installing. So again, 4 kits to choose from on this grill mounting location. First, are you doing a TRD grill conversion or do you already have one? And second, do you want amber or clear lens on your S8? So the combination of these 2 light bars together would give you nearly 26,000 lumens of lighting. Now, in addition to the 6 links for these different kits that we've talked about, I'm also going to make 2 additional links on the website for people to buy the grill and the light combination together, both amber and clear, so that you don't have to go shop 2 different places. We'll go ahead and get this from Toyota for you and ship it out to you with the light bar, so you've got everything you need. And again, all those links that are going to be in the description for all these different kits are going to take you over to Motoroso.com. And if you found this video helpful, please do shop with us there. That's what keeps us going. Now, if you'd like to learn about a couple of other options for lighting, check out the A-pillar kits video right here. You can get up to 18,000 lumens of light coming off that A-pillar location, which is about as high as you can go on the vehicle without going above the driver's eye line. We really like that. It's also a great place for ditch lighting. All the links to these products will be in the description of the video, and we hope you'll choose to buy from us. We much appreciate your viewership and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.